Have you ever wanted to have a milkshake, but you want it to be healthy and it's just something you have to have? Well, I came up with a super easy, fast milkshake that you and your kids would love. Your kids won't even know that it's good for them. I'm just calling it the blueberry milkshake. Let's take a look at how to put that together. My blueberry milkshake is super simple. You're just going to take 3/4 cup of frozen blueberries, 3/4 cup of vanilla ice cream. If you want it to be vegan, all you have to do is get a coconut or a soy or a rice ice cream. Otherwise, you can just use regular ice cream, but make sure it's vanilla. You're going to add a 1/2 cup of coconut water, and then you're going to blend it on high in your high-speed blender until it's smooth. And we're going to serve it with coconut cream on top. So first, we're going to add our 3/4 cup of our blueberries. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup. This happens to be coconut ice cream. So this is a vegan recipe. We're going to top that with a 1/2 cup of coconut water. The perfect treat, just a single serving. If you need more, just add more. You're going to snap on the top. You're going to put it on your high-speed blender. Make sure that you have the pusher for the top. We're going to stick that in, turning it on. It doesn't take much. You're going to take this out, take your lid off, and we're going to pour this into a glass and enjoy a beautiful glass of blueberry milkshake. Now all we need to do is add the cream. So I topped my blueberry shake with some coconut cream. The kids are never going to know that this is so healthy for them. This is a beautiful vegan blueberry milkshake. Antioxidants, healthy fats, excellent. Let's try it. That is so good. No one will know it's so healthy. Enjoy.